Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
I go by the name Wami. Yeah.
Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you a couple of images of some African countries' flag, and I want you to place a flag to the right country. How do you think you're going to perform?
Actually, from my past experience in maybe these things, I'm perfect. 70% performance. Yeah.
So how many countries would you say you know how their flags look like?
Actually,
You could maybe name a few countries maybe around us that you know for sure if I showed you those flags you'd get it.
in Africa, maybe 40%.
Could you maybe name 3 countries that maybe you feel sure or confident you can get their flags?
Yeah. Libya, South Sudan, maybe Uganda. Talks of this country called Kenya. Tanzania, South Africa, Burundi.
Okay, you're very sure you can get it.
Yeah, I can get it.
Okay, so let me show you your first image.
I think that is for Burundi.
Oh, he didn't lie. This was a trick. That one was a trick image. What about this one?
I think that's not Libya.
So I'm just going to show the audience that one. So which one do you say it is?
I don't know that about that one.
Okay, I can give you a hint. I'm allowed to give you maybe 1 or 2 hints. If you won't get after, yeah, they normally say its nickname is it's a land of 1,000 hills.
Ethiopia.
No. Okay, your final clue is the cleanest country in Africa. It's normally said.
Oh, Kigali, Rwanda.
Yeah. Okay, let me show you another.
So this is the flag of Rwanda?
Yeah, this is the Rwandan flag. So I'm going to show you the next image.
Okay.
Tanzania, you already know, that would be too easy. Let me show you this. So that is our image. Okay, so this one belongs to what country?
South Sudan, maybe?
Yeah, you're right. Although you guessed, but you're right. So let me show you the final image.
Actually, I'm 70% there.
Yeah. So the final image, that is the final image. Okay, this one belongs to what country?
So hard, I don't know.
I believe in you.
So hard, I cannot say that flag. Ngumu sana. Yeah.
Okay, let me give you a hint, one that won't be too obvious.
That's the obvious hint.
They're not black. Can I say they're not black in color?
It can't be Morocco. Is it in Africa?
Yeah. If you need another hint, maybe you let me know. Okay, another hint. Maybe I'm going to give you a hint that will make it so obvious.
What is it known for?
It's the land of pharaohs. It's the land of pyramid. Yeah. So very well done. I can see you got most of these. Are you feeling proud of yourself?
I'm proud. I think the audience, maybe the people can just award me. Award me there by maybe helping my content there. The street talk.
Yeah, tell them your channel.
Okay, guys, if you're watching, I think you are called Twins Hangout Kenya, YouTube there. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It's called The Street Talk. Guys, this street talk is our business and we must do our business. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for your time. We really appreciate, and we hope those who are watching will pass by your channel and subscribe. Yeah, The Street Talk.
The Street Talk.
Okay. Hi, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
What's your name?
I goes by the name Crop Daniels.
Crop. Why?
That's a name. That's an African name, a Kenyan name.
It's your birth given name.
That's my birth certificate name.
Interesting. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you a couple of images of flags, and I want you to try and guess which country they belong to. Would you say, how do you think you'll perform in this?
Ni za nchi gani kwanza? Za wapi continent?
In Africa.
Africa. I will rate myself hapo 6.
6. Okay, so maybe to start you off, I'll encourage you by showing you maybe a simple one. Okay, which one does this one belong to?
Tanganyika.
Tanzania. Tanzania. Let me show you another one. What about this one?
Ghana.
So that is the flag. Are you sure it's Ghana?
Yes. I don't know, they call themselves the Eye of Africa or yes, Ghana.
Okay.
Ghana.
Okay. I'll just tell you, it's not Ghana. I'll give you another chance, one more chance to try and guess it.
Not Ghana.
But I can see why you'd be confused. It's in East Africa. Okay, I'm allowed to give you 2 clues. So the first one is in East Africa.
The second clue?
The second clue, what can be the second clue, Maureen? A big percentage of the population is both Christians and Islams. Those are the 2 major religions. But that's why, okay, the country name begins with the letter E.
Ethiopia.
Yeah, it's Ethiopia. Okay, let me show you another one. What about this? This is the flag. What about this one?
This is the easiest. South Africa. South Sudan.
Wow.
Because they copied our flag.
Oh, okay. So that is South Sudan. Maybe I'll show you one more. What about this one?
Rwanda.
Since you got that one, you get a bonus flag. Let's show them that one. What about this one?
Burundi.
Yeah, it's Burundi. So you've really done well.
I'm good.
Yeah, you've really done well. Other people didn't get as far as you did.
Thank you. I'm an African. Like in general, I'm a deep down African. Although I'm a Kenyan by everything, at least I know I'm a historian. A little bit I did history. So
okay, so thank you so much for your time.
you're most welcome.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
My name is Henry Nyagudi.
Henry.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we want to show you some flags and we want you to tell us which country they belong to. So do you believe you'll get these ones?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me show you one. Which country is this?
Belgium.
Belgium.
Yeah.
But it's an African
It's an
country.
African
Guess
country.
again, yeah.
So, Angola.
Angola. That's your final answer?
Let me look again. Djibouti.
Okay, Djibouti. Okay, let's move to the next one. Which country is this?
Tanzania.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that is Tanzania. What about this one?
Yeah, this one, I've never seen this flag.
You've
This
never
flag is in
seen this
Africa.
Can I give you a hint?
Give me a hint.
They normally wear hijab. They have a long coastal line.
Oh, Somali.
Yeah, that is Somalia. Okay, Sasa, thank you so much for your time.
Sante.
Hi, how are you?
Hello.
What's your name?
MC Amba.
MC. Okay, so today we are going to be asking Kenyans to name which countries these flags are from, and I'm going to show you a couple of images. Do you believe you'll get them?
I'll try.
You'll try?
I'll try.
Okay, let me show you the first image.
Okay.
So, not that one. Okay. Which country is this?
This one I think Mauritius.
Mauritius, are you sure?
I'm not sure. I'm just thinking.
Okay, I'll tell you it's wrong. Could you give it another try?
Angola.
Okay, one hint. It's one of the poorest countries in Africa.
India.
In Africa?
In Africa. Congo.
No. Iko tu hapo karibu.
Karibu sasa hapo.
Okay, another hint. It starts with the letter B.
Burundi.
Yeah, this is
You
Burundi.
want to tell me Burundi is the poorest in
Yeah,
Africa?
it's one of the poorest in Africa.
I can buy that country.
If you want, if you have enough money.
I'm coming for you.
Yeah, what about this
This
one?
one is Uganda.
Oh, you know okay. What about this one?
This one is Tanzania.
Yeah.
Tanzania.
Okay, at least that one was easy. Okay, I'll give you another flag. What about this one?
Morocco.
No. I give you a hint.
Yeah.
Okay, it used to be one country and then they divided into two separate
Zimbabwe.
countries. No.
Southern Sudan.
Southern Sudan. Oh, we see. At least you've gotten one.
It was a guesswork.
Okay, what about this one?
Is this a country or maybe a...
Okay, one hint, it's one of the cleanest countries in Africa.
Rwanda.
Yeah, it's Rwanda. Yeah, so you've done pretty well, and thank you so much for your time. What do you think? What do you think about your performance?
About countries, places.
Placing the flag to the right country.
A country, I think I'm good when you tell me what they are good at. But to mention them with their flags, I'm not good at that one.
Okay.
I'm a Kenyan, by the way, by nature.
Yeah. Okay, so thank you so much for your time.